Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Maisarah Adiena and I am 4th semester student of English Education at Syarif Hidayatullah Jakarta. In this video, I want to tell you the story, the novel that I read. The title is Couch, written by Harlan Coben. So the story tells of Wendy Steiners. She is an investigative journalist who worked for a television show. Wendy is a famous person because she is exposing sexual predators through her show. The name of her show is Couch in the Act. She teams up with the police to frame Dan Mercer. Dan Mercer is a social worker that suspect of trying to meet a teenager girl. Wendy and her team discovered that Dan Mercer had a complex history and may have been involved in more serious crimes. Wendy organized an encounter that was recorded by a hidden camera. So he put the camera and record the situation meet with Dan Mercer. However, when Dan Mercer was being judged, he protested that he was trapped and in connection. So he's not idea about the criminals. Although the evidence is still pointing against him, Wendy begins to get the feeling that something is not quite right. When some small details start to fall out of place, as Wendy continues to investigate, he discovers a connection between Mercer and the disappearance of a teenager girl named Hallie McWade. Hallie was a 17 years old teenager and a good student. She is a good student who had always been the pride of her family in upstate the city, New Jersey. She was a captain of her lacrosse teams. The lacrosse is a sport with a ball and she is prepared for a college with a bright future ahead of her. However, but one day Hallie disappeared without a trace. She is disappeared and nobody knows where she is, leaving her family and community in despair, especially for their parents. But while there was a throughout search, police search and her family search where she is, months passed with no sign of her whereabouts, and no one knew if she had run away or fallen victim with a crime. Nobody knows about she. During her investigation, Wendy found that there were more people who were responsible for trapping Dan Mercer than she thought. So Dan Mercer is trapped by someone have a responsible in the place, and several influential and powerful individuals seems to be involved in the manipulation of evidence. So Dan Mercer have get a trap from influential and powerful individuals, and mind-blowing is when you realize that Dan Mercer may be the victim of a large plan designed to bring someone down on purpose. Wendy also begins to empathize with Mercer's family, especially when she realized the impact the allegation have had on their life, on Dan Mercer's life. Also, under pressure from more powerful parties to stop her investigation, Wendy continued to move forward with a strong sense of determination. And at the end of the story, Wendy's success in exposing a shocking truth. She discovered that the disappearance of Hallie McQuaid and the framing of Dan Mercer are part of conspirations involving powerful individuals trying to protect their own interests. And as it turns out, Hallie did not go missing because of a random crime, but Hallie missing because of a more complicated plan involving people she trusted. And when he managed to bring the criminals to justice and expose their crimes to the public, in the end of the story, Couch Dan Mercer was free and his name clear, but Dan Mercer get the impact of the false accusation still haunt in his life. When he realized the importance of integrity in her work and was decided to no longer allow herself to rush to a judgment without enough proven evidence. So this novel, Couch, and the story with the Wendy realized to have found the truth, but also with a deep realizations of how fragile justice is and how easily one's lives can be destroyed by a mistake made without careful considerations. So I think that's all about the novel. I want to show the novel like this, the cover like this, and this cover have a scandal, specious murder, it's child's plan. So the cover tells the whole story about thriller and mystery. I hope this video can help you to decide to read this novel, because this novel is very recommended. Thank you for your attention and for like and comment. That's all from me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.